Allergies remain low for today and through this weekend, so going to be a great start to the weekend to be outside with the low allergies and the sunshine finally returning, at least for our Saturday. Outside right now, not so much the case, but at least temperatures are on the mild side as we're holding on to the upper 60s at the airport, and it's 66 from Bowman Field over to Linden on the outskirts of the metro. We have 65 right now in Scottsburg, 62 in Hardinsburg, Kentucky, and into the next couple of hours we'll be slow to warm up. It's probably going to take all day long to get to our high temperature of 70 degrees, but we are going to stay mainly dry into at least the first half of the day. Shower chances still remain less than impressive, we'll call them, and I do think most areas are going to stay dry, at least for later on this afternoon. At best, it would be very localized and very light in nature. As we head into this weekend, Saturday, we're going to be dry, very warm as we hover right around 90 degrees. We're also going to be in the 90s on Sunday, but that's a different story because we're not going to see a whole lot of sunshine for that day for any of these weekend events on your Sunday. Here's what that looks like on Futurecast. When we wake up, we'll wake up dry, but then we have the first round that's going to push through in the morning, and we're not concerned about this round being strong or severe. We could probably hear a few rumbles of thunder, but not so much concerned about severe weather with the first round that moves through Sunday morning. Into the afternoon, temperatures start to heat up. The sun might heat the ground, and that'll fuel those storms later on into the evening. Here's the timing with the actual severe potential. After 4 o'clock is what it looks like once these storms try to form a line, and they'll very quickly race through Kentucky and from the northwest down to the southeast, probably getting out of here by shortly after sunset, right around 9:30 or so. And all modes of severe weather are going to be on the table with that line of showers and thunderstorms. So we're talking damaging wind as the main threat for us. Also, though, heavy rain could lead to localized flash flooding, and large hail is also a threat. Tornado threat is on the low side, but it's not zero. So it's something that we're going to be watching very, very closely, and I'll be here all weekend keeping you weather aware so you can prepare for Sunday evening storms. Going into Monday, some of that rain could linger into very early in the morning, but other than that, we should spend the afternoon dry. Temperatures in the low and middle 80s for most of next week.